Hi, this video is going to be about using a tourniquet. I'll be using the CAT training. This one's a training tourniquet. It's the Combat Application Tourniquet, and this is a Generation 7. It's blue because it's the training kind. And you can use it for real life use as well. But they have it blue for training purposes. You know the difference between the training one and then the real ones. And I got this and learned how to use it through Refuge Medical Training. I got certified through their Stop the Bleed class. It is a really, really good class. I learned how to use the tourniquet, and learned a whole bunch of other things that is really, really important to know. And I will be showing you how to use the tourniquet. So this is the setup when it's all folded up, how it's folded up. And this piece right here, it is the time. So when you have it on, you are going to put it over and write what time it is with a marker. But when it's not in use, you fold it at an angle so you have a tag almost. And when it's all folded up, you also have this piece right here through the clamp, as so. So when you're going to use it, unclamp this piece here, the pencil piece, and you put it around your arm or your leg, higher the better. You pull the tab, do it as tightly as possible. Then you wrap it around your arm, put it through the clamps, then you twist the pencil piece. Once you think it's tight enough, you almost want to twist it like one more time. It should be 2 or 3 times, and then you clamp it through the clamp there, and then once it's all tied and you got the clamp over, then you pull the time sheet over. And then you should, when you know it's right, you'll start feeling that tingling sensation that your hand is going to sleep. And in a little bit, you'd be able to feel your pulse right there in this little divot area. And you should not feel your pulse. And I'm getting the tingling sensation in my hand. And I do not feel a pulse. So, I will now undo it. And put it back ready to use. So, when you're going to put it back ready to use, you can undo it completely. Kind of pull this tight to straighten out this piece here that you are twisting that up with. And once that is all straightened out and pulled out, then you feed it through the loop And then with this red piece here, you clamp it down so you have a little pull tab. And then the Velcro is not working with me. Then you clamp this down some here. And then you have it hanging over your hand. And then you do a fold. And then you twist it, the pencil piece, to clamp in there. And you put the time tag at a 45-degree angle. So it has a little tag there. And that is how you use a CAT tourniquet. Thank you.